Today we have a new baker in our midst. She's here to learn snacks, cakes, everything that has to do with baking. Well, we streamline it to snacks anyway and cake. So today she made puff puff herself. Initially she was saying, don't let me say too much. So what has been your fear concerning puff puff, and when you were doing it, how was it now?
My major fear was how to cut it because I earlier learned it on YouTube before. I was scared of how to cut it. I didn't know how to twist my hand.
But today?
But today I was able to cut it, and to the help of my madam, she showed me how to cut it, and I have confidence on how to cut it.
Okay, so Fidi Bakery, we hold your hands and we see that perfection coming. So watch out for this channel. Many more to come. Bye.